Hey virtual pilot, maybe you're like me and you've dreamed of having flying lessons, or you're having them and you want to practice at home. I'd been using flight simulators for years, but my mind was truly blown when I tried it in virtual reality. But I soon got overwhelmed with all of the research required to make the thing work. Which VR headset should I use? What's the best graphics card? Which driver version and which graphics settings? Why does the image stutter and how do I sort that out? I spent more hours getting everything working than actually flying the sim. Well, we've got your back. This channel provides your one-stop shop for everything for the virtual pilot. Headset reviews and comparisons, which peripherals should you use, helping you eke every last bit of performance out of your sim for silky smooth frame rates and beautiful experiences. And when everything is up and running, we've got great content on what your next adventure should be.